Hey everybody, I'm Rosanna from Team Jensen Journeys, and today I'm baking a cake. And my parents are going to be making salsa with our homegrown ingredients. But I want to give a shout out to Rosanna Pansino. I'm using her cookbook. So if you want to go check out her channel, it's Rosanna Pansino, and there's a bunch of baking goods. So today I'll be making the volcano cake if you want to follow along. So, I'm going to get started.
I'm not crying, you're crying.
Oh yeah, these eggs are from our chickens. We have chickens.
That's right. Homegrown.
Yeah, most of the time I use a separate bowl for cracking my eggs into, so I don't get any eggshells in the cake, because that just doesn't sound appetizing. And also, if you have a garden and it always gets eaten by snails, if you save your eggshells, then it acts like glass for snails, so they don't want to run over it, so it helps so your garden doesn't get eaten by snails.
Sauce is on the stove. We gotta bring it to a boil and cook it for 10 minutes. And then we'll fire it up.
Oh, that's air bubbly. Look at all those air bubbles. Yeah, this is what my batter looks like. That's just kind of cool.
This is one of my favorite parts of Brooklyn's baking.
Taste testing before it's baked. What's the status?
Delicious.
Yay! That's a good sign. Got all of our salsa right there. They already taste tested it. They said it wasn't as spicy as the last batch they made, but I'm not a salsa fan, so I don't eat it. Make sure if you're baking you have oven mitts and adult permission, and you're old enough to open the oven. So while my cakes are in the oven, I'm gonna start making my buttercream frosting. I just found the recipe on my iPod, so I'm gonna make that. stacked it and frosted all the layers and stuck the bottle in. so we can put the dry ice in there. But Rose said the colder it is, the better it is to carve. So we're gonna go put it back in the freezer. Okay, we just pulled the cake out of the freezer and then we carved it as best as we could. Doesn't look great, but who cares? So now we are going to frost it. Okay, so I just finished doing some little details, but I'm gonna hurry and eat dinner, and then I'm going to do the grass and add my little clay figurines, and then I will show you the reveal.
All right.
Here we go. Volcano cake.
Ah!
Okay, that's really good.
Okay guys, so that cake was a lot of work, but it was totally worth it. It was a lot of fun. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!